Here we have a whole house renovation project. The customer is in the process of selecting carpeting for all the bedrooms. We have 3 bedrooms on basically the second floor, and we are going to install also carpeting on the stairway, hallway, the master bedroom, large bedroom, and then we're going to continue in the basement area, which is all the way down on the ground floor, starting with these concrete steps. This whole area here, the back bedroom, stepping down into this larger playroom area, which in this area the customer has already selected Mohawk Air.O carpet. Perfect type of installation, a hypoallergenic carpet, perfectly suited for installing over a concrete floor. So the project is getting underway, and we will continue with the next phase. And here is the project well underway. This happens to be the master bedroom with this Mohawk style vintage details print. Beautiful print in the master bedroom, which we ran all the way through the hall and into the walk-in closets. So this is partially complete. We're going to manufacture in this hallway here, down these steps, and in this hallway, basically a custom runner area rug with a border that's going to go around and continue up in here, down the steps, up this area, up the steps. So it's all custom designed and laid out. This is going in process of being manufactured right now. We have the bedrooms in the process. This is another nice little print pattern here. Then we have in this middle room, this is a cane kind of printed carpet, which is with this multicolored dot. In a girl's room, really beautiful. And then this is the end room, a nice blue, basically pin dot carpet. We have to clean up, do a little bit more vacuuming. So a lot of the bedrooms are completed. Then we continue. We're going down into the basement area. These steps will be all covered. We're going to install down here about 92 square yards of Mohawk Air.O carpet that has this attached backing, completely hypoallergenic, great for basement concrete area. So we have a lot of this rolled out, ready to be cut and seamed together. This whole area here with the closet, down the hallway and the rear bedroom will be all done with the Air.O carpet. And again, these steps. So this project is underway, and we'll get back when we have everything completed. And here we have the final installation. This is the hallway with a custom, basically a custom area rug runner to conform the layout of the hallway, meeting the stairways coming up and continuing up to the master bedroom. And then we have the 3 completed bedrooms on this floor. This pattern design in this 1 bedroom completed. Customer has moved in. A nice beautiful multicolor cane carpet in this bedroom. And a beautiful pin dot design in the boys' room. So this completes this level with this custom area rug runner here. And here we are in the basement area where we have installed Mohawk Air.O carpet with the attached backing. The only hypoallergenic carpet on the market on this concrete floor. You don't need any tackless or separate padding. Perfect installation for this type of situation. So we have a bedroom, and then we have it actually glued down on some stairs, and then we drop down into a large playroom area. Again, 92 square yards of the Air.O carpet. So this completes this installation project with the 3 bedrooms, custom hallway, and basement. So if you want to see additional videos, go to our website at fashion-carpets.com. Go to our video gallery for additional installation videos. And while you are in YouTube, if you could please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.